After much protest by teachers for the school's alleged mismanagement by its principal Aiom Diengdoh, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, who was accompanied by Chief Secretary P Wahlang, Education Minister Lahkmen Rymbui, the Chief Executive Engineer of PWD Building Jefferson V Lyngdoh, and other state government officials, had conducted a surprise inspection of Pine Mount School on the 17th of October 2022 to witness for himself the anomalies that were alleged to have been existing for a long time in one of the state's most prestigious schools.
Visit Pine Mount School along with the Honorable Education Minister and other officials, including our Chief Secretary. And we have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we've also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already and the sanction has already been done. So those aspects also will be examined, and other administrative requirements also are there. For example, the offices required for different staff and principal. We'll examine all those aspects also. So the idea was basically to come and see the overall situation out here, and based on the different concerns that have been raised by the public and the past pupils, the teachers, and other managing committee members. So based on all those concerns, we thought that we should make a visit and see things with our own eyes. And based on that, as I said, we're going to take certain steps to improve things.